Ooh. Alright guys, this is the third video. Honestly, I don't even know if I might put these in the right order. Depending on which one gets finished first, that one will go out. So if you see this one first, or the other one, don't mind that. Yeah, let's give you an update of what's going on. Exhaust is already plugged in, don't mind them, they're just installing subs and Zamir's cord. Exhaust is already on, rear bumper is on, took off the crash bar, and we are gonna get the bumper ready for the wrap, so we gotta sand the whole thing down. And I broke the lip, so I need to fix it. Right here. I'll probably just, you'll know how I fix it in that video if you watch that one first or this one, depending which one comes out first. In this video, we're gonna be installing these. Type R brakes from the Type R. Yeah. Special thank you to Zamir for getting these for me. I do appreciate it, bro. I'm gonna fucking get you back, bitch. You're over there, but you probably don't hear. But yeah, so we're just gonna start by removing the original brakes. We have to bleed out the brake fluid, so let's get to it. Nickelodeon?
Nickelodeon?
Whoa. Hold on. Wait, the camera wasn't on.
The camel wasn't on, huh?
Oh.
The camel wasn't
This is awkward! I'm working out.
fucking cold.
It's a 10.
That's for when you got it.
Is it recording still? Will you do it?
Oh, you're doing it.
Alright, let go. Alright, now pump it. Like 5 times. And hold it.
Oh my god, there's so much pressure.
I'm
You'll
about
feel
to
relief.
bust.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to
Relief?
bust.
You didn't feel it? I did.
Alright, pump it again.
5 times. Alright, with this last minute and a half left, I have a storage on my camera. They are done. It looks like they barely cleared these OEM wings. I have 30 seconds. thank you guys for watching this install. Go ahead and check out the exhaust install if you already haven't, and I'm sure I'm still going to be working on this bumper install. If not, then go ahead and watch it. It'll be the last 2 videos you'll see at the end of this one. Yeah, so we got all that coming. Then we got the wrap video coming. We're gonna wrap this. We ordered the wrap from Paradox to Wrapper. It's gonna be a gloss white. We're gonna do the entire car. Hopefully I get a lip before that. That's the last thing. Shut up. And then we gotta fix this lip for the rear, and then she'll be done. Again, leave a comment down below. What do you think so far of the progress?
And subscribe to Flawless Vlogs.
Subscribe to Flawless Vlogs. Shout out Zamir. Thank you for everything you do and for hooking it up. And thank you, Hector, for your help and letting us use your garage as Flawless headquarters. Yeah, shout out to a little pile of garbage in the corner because all that's the bullshit that was left behind. Yeah, peace out. See you guys on the next one.